Yes, TeraFlex designs and builds premium suspension systems, but did you know that we also supply upgrades to a lot of other components as well? TeraFlex's heavy-duty replacement ball joints and massive steering components, like tie rods and drag links, are developed to fill the needs of both the modified and the stock Jeep crowd. The Jeep Wrangler is the most highly modified vehicle on the planet, and huge tires and wider stance wheels and all kinds of accessories add up to increased overall weight and stress on steering components. Factory ball joints often suffer an early demise, and when they do, steering control and stability suffer. Ball joints are no fun to install, so it was a TeraFlex goal to design a set of ball joints that would actually last. Ball joints that would be tough enough to endure all the abuse that a lifted Jeep on 40-inch tires could throw at them. The key to replacement ball joint longevity is the ability to easily grease and maintain them. The TeraFlex Wrangler ball joint provides easy access to the grease fittings. Yes, you can actually get lubrication into the ball joints with a standard grease gun. But the design improvements didn't stop there. The joints were built with the ability to adjust for wear. If over time the ball joints get a little loose, they can be easily adjusted. No rebuilding or replacing necessary. Tighten them up and your TJ, your JK, JL, or JT is all good to go. Each TeraFlex heavy-duty steering component designed for the Jeep Wrangler not only looks substantial, but they also correct weaknesses in the stock steering. When our engineers designed our jaw-droppingly massive Chromoly tie rod and forged drag link, they used a joint similar to our ball joints in the rod ends, where the wear-adjustable and greasable joints were needed. The 1 5/8" Chromoly tie rod is built to take a hit and resist bending, while the drag link is designed to withstand the pressures of controlling 40-inch plus tires, and they give a solid feel to the steering while on the road. The track bar has the job of controlling the axles under the Jeep. Now that's no small task, so TeraFlex uses no small components. The track bar is forged and has the adjustability to correct for a lifted Jeep's geometry changes. TeraFlex, always there to help you get through the rough spots.